project. The news in detail. In the winter session of Parliament today, the Lok Sabha took up Railways Amendment Bill 2024 for consideration and passing. Moving the bill, Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said the bill is intended to bring more efficiency to the railway sector. In Rajya Sabha, the opposition staged a walkout from the Rajya Sabha demanding the enactment of a law for minimum support prices for food grains. When the House met this morning, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar rejected the adjournment notices given by opposition members on the issues including MSP, Cyclone Fengal, Sambhal violence and alleged bribery charges against a prominent business group.
Narendra Modi ji is totally committed towards developing the railway network of Kerala, and the allocation of funds he has given is huge, more than 3,000 crore rupees, which is almost 8 times what it used to be 10 years ago. However, the support from the state government is not forthcoming, Honorable Speaker, sir. The land acquisition in the state of Kerala, despite the funds having been deposited, is a meager 16% of what land is required.
The state government has been